In today's video, we would be discussing about the details of Japan's deployment of Aegis Ashore missile defense system. The Japanese defense sources mentioned that they had suspended or halted the process of deploying two United States-made Aegis Ashore air defense system, which is designed to detect and counter the North Korean ballistic missiles. The actual reason for halting the process of deploying the Aegis Ashore air defense system has been revealed due to the technical issues and also for some cost negotiations. The two planned Aegis Ashore systems would cost around 439 billion yen, which is 4.1 billion US dollars, and this is for both operation and maintenance for the next 30 years. Such a high price tag for both operation and maintenance cannot be accommodated by Japan due to current weak economic condition. With radars more powerful than the ship-based version of Aegis that Japan already operates, the planned stations were meant to help recent missile advances by North Korea and relieve pressure on Japan's stretched navy. As of now, Japan operates 7 Aegis-equipped destroyers and is building another. Although the Aegis Ashore radars are more advanced than that used on the ships, the halting or temporarily suspending the process of deploying these two Aegis Ashore air defense system is going to overburden the Japan's navy. The Aegis ballistic missile defense system is developed to provide missile defense against short to intermediate range ballistic missiles, and it is part of the United States National Missile Defense Strategy. The Aegis BMD, which is also known as the sea-based mid-course, is designed to intercept ballistic missiles post-boost phase and prior to re-entry. The current system uses the Lockheed Martin Aegis weapon system and the Raytheon Standard missile. The deployment of the Aegis Ashore defense system has been altered, which we already know, but Japan will continue to rely on its Aegis-equipped destroyers to provide the ballistic missile defense against North Korea's missiles in the meantime. Japan has already spent the equivalent of 1.02 billion US dollar on the development of SM-3 Block 2A so far, which is being developed jointly by Japan and the United States. The missiles can also be fired from the Aegis-equipped ships of both countries to intercept short and intermediate range ballistic missiles. The Japan's Aegis Ashore deployment plans have been controversial, with the Defense Ministry facing strong opposition from the local governments and the residents at both sites, which is due to the concern about the radiation from the system's Lockheed Martin long-range discrimination radar. The latest developments come as Japan announces the completion of deploying the upgraded Patriot missile segment and interceptors at 4 different locations throughout the country earlier this month. So that was all about the Japan's plan to halt the deployment of Aegis Ashore missile defense system, pointing to cost and technical issues. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.